So I'm moving to New York. Happy tears. I just got an email saying that I got the public relations internship for the Miss Universe organization. So this internship is 6 months. It's gonna be from January to July in New York City. Okay, the last thing that I remember recording was my acceptance for my internship in New York City with the Miss Universe organization. So it's a couple weeks later now, the second week in December. So this past week was finals. Everyone's all moved out, my roommates, pretty much everyone on campus. I stayed back for a couple days because I'm packing up my entire apartment in Athens right now. And tomorrow I'm going to be heading back to Pittsburgh. Okay, it's the next morning and everything is all packed up in the apartment. My car is almost packed. Just have to grab my plants and make sure that, you know, all the electricity is off and stuff, and then I'm hitting the road. So, bittersweet moment. I love this apartment. And by the time I get back from New York, our lease will be up, so we won't be living here anymore, which is sad. So I'm officially leaving my first ever apartment, and it's really been the best apartment I could have asked for. So I'm sad to say goodbye, but I know that my roommates will take good care of it while I'm gone, and for now, that's all, and it's time to say bye. Currently 1 o'clock in the morning. I have been packing since probably 1 this afternoon. I have vacuum seal done, which is about half my wardrobe for the majority of the 6 months of New York. I have a couple piles of clothes left, and my shoes, and then cosmetic type stuff. It's been a process. Alright, so it's Monday now. Went to bed about 3:30 last night. All my clothes are packed, but this is like the worst jigsaw puzzle that I've ever done. Trying to maneuver everything into these 2 suitcases while keeping the check bag under 50 pounds. I don't know if we're gonna be able to accomplish this. Stress levels are rising, to say the least. So, I'll keep you updated. We got both suitcases packed, and we're headed to Columbus. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning, and I'm leaving for New York today. I'm in Columbus with my mom, and we're going to head to the airport soon, where I'm going to meet Sophie, my friend, and we're going to have a couple days to explore the city, doing a little girls trip, and then I'll start work next week. So, the adventure finally begins. I can't believe it's here.